Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Clickbank affiliate marketing training for beginners. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you guys. I really appreciate you. With that being said, let's go into what I believe is the best affiliate marketing training for beginners if you're wanting to market on Clickbank. And that is Clickbank University. I own this product, and I did a product review on it below. I'm going to leave that there. But this, to me, is the most comprehensive training that you can get marketing on Clickbank. And both of these gentlemen, Adam and Justin, have made millions on Clickbank. And they're teaching you from a perspective if you're an affiliate, as well as how to become a vendor. So let's just talk about affiliate, since that's what we're interested in. So it's going to go through understanding affiliate marketing, like just the basics of it. One of the things that I thought was really good in here that a lot of courses don't teach is just setting some goals. I mean, it's something that's often overlooked, and how to set goals that are realistic and that you can achieve and build off of those. How to find your passion. The ultimate affiliate funnel. So they're going to show you how to do that, how to always over deliver. They're going to teach you email marketing, scaling, and running affiliate promotions. Okay, and then the traffic in here that they teach you is paid traffic, but they only have just a few. I think there's 3 right now. And that the reason for that is they only show you what is working for them right now. So they have Facebook advertising, they have Instagram shout outs. I actually did a video on this particular traffic source. It's really cool. I'm going to leave a link below this video to that. And I'll show you they also have YouTube traffic. So if we come down here, you can see that they have YouTube ads. They're going to show you how to get it set up, how to optimize it, how to run it, and how to scale it to promote your Clickbank products. This is super powerful, the forum, because whenever you get started on something, you really need to have help. You know, if you have questions, you have to have a way to get your questions answered, and that's what the forum is all about. So you can see here that you can ask any question and people will answer your questions. You can search to see if anyone else has asked the question. They have them categorized over here. So it's super, super powerful to be able to have access to people who can answer your questions. And then you get the official copywriting guide, you get market and customer research. This right here is brand new since I bought it. Buy and sell online, business online. So this is really something interesting here. And then I wanted to show you expert interviews. Wait, before I get to that, there was the live Q&A. Okay, because this is $47 a month, and you think, well, why are you just going to spend $47 a month? Well, the ongoing trainings are with Justin and Adam, so those are super powerful as far as all the things that you're going to learn with that. And then the expert interviews, these are some recorded interviews. You can see Gary V there. Let me just show you what Gary V, branding, work ethic, understanding your audience and avatar, pre-selling, personal growth, perseverance, optimizing, John Castani, There's an interview with him. Successful habits and customer feedback. So these are things that not only do you want to know the strategies and the tactics, but you want to know the mindset behind it as well. And I think they do a great job of including that in there as well. So like I said, I own this product and I learn so much from it each day that I go through it. And I would recommend that if you're new to Clickbank, and I would say this is the best affiliate marketing training for beginners. It's going to walk you through step by step how to get started, how to promote the product, how to drive traffic to it, and how to make sales ultimately. So I'm going to leave a link below this video to the Clickbank University, as well as another review that I did on it. So if you're interested in that, learning how to build a Clickbank affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish, go ahead and check that out right below this video. If you've received value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I appreciate you guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.